What if I told you that the best time to sow some of the most beautiful, long-lasting flowers isn't spring at all? In fact, fall is when the magic really happens. Right now, while the air is crisp and the soil is still warm, you can plant certain perennial seeds that will quietly settle in over winter, then burst into stunning blooms next year, year after year. Hey garden friends, welcome back. If you want an easy way to get ahead for next year's flower garden, you're going to love today's list. I'm sharing 13 perennials you can sow in the fall. Plants that don't just survive the winter, they thrive because of it. Sow them once, and they'll reward you with color, texture, and pollinator-friendly blooms for many seasons to come. So grab your seed packets, because these fall-sown perennials are some of the easiest and most rewarding plants you'll ever grow. Let's jump right in. 1. Coneflowers are one of the easiest and most rewarding perennials you can sow in the fall. Their seeds actually benefit from the natural cold stratification of winter, which helps break dormancy and ensures stronger germination in spring. By sowing them now, you're letting nature do all the work. No fridge or special prep needed. Come summer, you'll enjoy vibrant pink, purple, or white blooms that not only brighten up your garden, but also attract bees, butterflies, and songbirds. Best of all, once established, coneflowers are drought-tolerant, tough as nails, and will return year after year with very little care. 2. Black-Eyed Susans are the definition of cheerful, with their golden yellow petals and dark centers that light up the garden from midsummer well into fall. When you sow them in the fall, the seeds take advantage of the natural cold period to germinate stronger in spring, giving you sturdier plants that establish quickly. These hardy perennials thrive in almost any soil, tolerate heat and drought, and come back reliably year after year. Plus, they're pollinator magnets. Bees and butterflies love them, and the seed heads even feed birds through winter. Sow them now, and you'll enjoy a garden full of sunny, low-maintenance color next season. 3. Lupines are stunning perennials with tall, colorful spires that bring a dramatic cottage garden feel to any space. The seeds have a tough outer coat and need a period of cold stratification to germinate well, which makes fall the perfect time to sow them. By planting now, you're letting the winter chill naturally prepare the seeds, so they sprout stronger and earlier in spring. Lupines thrive in cooler climates, enrich the soil with nitrogen, and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Sow them this fall, and you'll be rewarded with breathtaking blooms in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white that return year after year. 4. Shasta Daisies are timeless classics with their crisp white petals and sunny yellow centers, and fall is the ideal time to sow them. Their seeds germinate best after a natural cold period, so planting in autumn gives them exactly what they need to sprout strong and healthy once spring arrives. By sowing now, you'll get a head start on sturdy plants that will bloom earlier and more abundantly. Shasta daisies are incredibly low maintenance, long-lived, and drought-tolerant once established, making them a dependable favorite for borders and cutting gardens. Plant them this fall, and you'll enjoy cheerful, reliable blooms that return year after year. 5. Columbines are delicate, fairy-like flowers that add a touch of magic to spring gardens, and fall is the best time to sow their seeds. They actually need a period of cold stratification to break dormancy, which makes autumn sowing the most natural and effective method. By planting now, you'll have stronger seedlings emerging as soon as the soil warms in spring. Columbines come in a rainbow of colors, attract hummingbirds and pollinators, and often self-seed. So once you plant them, they'll happily pop up in new spots year after year. Sow them this fall, and you'll enjoy their whimsical blooms dancing in your garden next spring. 6. Foxgloves are tall, elegant perennials with bell-shaped blooms that hummingbirds adore, and they grow best when sown in the fall. These seeds benefit from the natural cold of winter, which helps them germinate more reliably and produce stronger plants. By sowing now, you give foxgloves the head start they need so they can develop strong roots and be ready to bloom beautifully in their second year. Their dramatic spires of purple, pink, white, or yellow flowers add striking vertical interest to borders and cottage gardens, while also feeding pollinators all season long. Plant them this fall, and you'll be rewarded with towering color and charm for years to come. 7. Blanket flowers are tough, sun-loving perennials that bloom non-stop in fiery shades of red, orange, and yellow. And fall is the best time to get them started. Their seeds handle cool soil beautifully and benefit from the natural chill of winter, which helps them sprout strong and early in spring. By sowing now, you'll set yourself up for resilient plants that thrive in poor soils, tolerate drought, and bloom for months on end. Not only do they add vibrant color to your beds and borders, but they also attract butterflies and bees throughout the summer. Plant blanket flower seeds this fall, and you'll enjoy brilliant, low-maintenance blooms for years to come. 8. Bee Balm is a pollinator powerhouse with vibrant red, pink, purple, or white blooms that bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds can't resist. And fall is the perfect time to sow it. The seeds naturally need a period of cold to break dormancy, so planting in autumn lets winter do all the work for you. By the time spring arrives, your seedlings will be strong and ready to grow into hardy clumps that return year after year. Bee Balm not only adds a burst of color and fragrance to the summer garden, but it's also known for its herbal uses and resistance to many pests. Sow it this fall, and you'll enjoy a pollinator-friendly show that comes back season after season. 9. Coreopsis is a carefree perennial that produces masses of cheerful, daisy-like flowers in sunny yellows, pinks, and reds. And fall is the perfect time to sow it. The seeds respond well to the natural cold and moisture of winter, which boosts germination and gives you stronger, earlier plants in spring. By planting now, you'll enjoy a long season of blooms that last from early summer well into fall, with very little maintenance. Coreopsis is drought-tolerant, thrives in poor soils, and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it a must-have for any easy-care garden. Sow them this autumn, and you'll be rewarded with waves of color that return year after year. 10. Oriental poppies are bold, dramatic perennials with huge, silky blooms in brilliant shades of red, pink, orange, and white. And the best time to sow them is in the fall. Their seeds require a period of cold stratification to germinate, so autumn planting mimics nature perfectly and ensures strong, healthy seedlings in spring. By sowing now, establish plants that not only put on a breathtaking show in late spring to early summer, but also return reliably year after year. Oriental poppies are low maintenance once established, thriving in sunny spots with well-drained soil. Plant them this fall, and you'll be rewarded with unforgettable, show-stopping flowers that light up your garden for seasons to come. 11. Yarrow is a rugged, easy-care perennial that rewards you with flat-topped clusters of flowers in shades of yellow, pink, red, or white, and feathery aromatic foliage. Its seeds respond beautifully to the natural cold stratification of winter, making fall the perfect time to sow them. By planting now, you'll give Yarrow the head start it needs to establish strong roots and burst into growth as soon as spring warms up. Once mature, it's drought-tolerant, deer-resistant, and a magnet for pollinators like butterflies and bees. Sow Yarrow this autumn, and you'll enjoy long-lasting blooms, resilient plants, and a steady return of color year after year. 12. Penstemon is a striking perennial with tubular blooms that come in shades of pink, purple, red, and blue, and they're absolute magnets for hummingbirds. Fall is the best time to sow penstemon seeds because they need a natural cold period to break dormancy. By planting them now, you give the seeds the winter chill they require, resulting in stronger, more vigorous seedlings in spring. Once established, penstemon is hardy, drought-tolerant, and blooms over a long season, adding vertical interest and vibrant color to borders and wildflower-style plantings. Sow penstemon this autumn, and you'll enjoy resilient plants that come back year after year with a burst of beauty and wildlife activity. 13. Butterfly weed is a hardy perennial with brilliant clusters of orange flowers that not only brighten up the garden, but also serve as a crucial nectar and host plant for monarch butterflies. Its seeds need a period of cold to germinate properly, which makes fall the perfect time to sow them. By planting now, you're working with nature to ensure stronger seedlings come spring. Once established, butterfly weed thrives in poor, sandy soils, tolerates drought, and returns reliably year after year with very little care. Sow it this fall, and you'll be rewarded with vibrant color and a pollinator haven that supports wildlife season after season. So there you have it, 13 perennials you can sow right now in the fall to set yourself up for a stunning, low-maintenance garden next year. The best part? Sow them once, and they'll return every year, stronger and more beautiful. Which one of these perennials are you going to try first? Drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear what's going into your fall garden. And if you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next gardening tips. Until then, happy planting, and here's to next year's blooms. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video, 13 best self-seeding perennials saving money and time.